Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on how to day trade crypto for beginners. Now, this is going to be a really awesome video because you're going to learn how to day trade and how to actually get access to a free boot camp. A free boot camp that will teach you how to day trade and how to buy the dip and actually when to sell. Okay, so pay attention because by the end of this video, you're going to actually be able to make money with cryptocurrency. Okay? So, trading disclaimer, results are not typical, it takes hard work to day trade, all risk is on you, and there's no guarantee of returns or money or trades or income or profit, and just understand that this is 100% risk on you. So day trading is something that a lot of people do not do well at. However, with this boot camp, you will be able to do well. So just understand the income disclaimers. Also on the earnings disclaimer side, results are not typical. Most network marketers, affiliate marketers make $0, and if you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. But anyways, that is the disclaimers real quick. So let's get into how to day trade as a brand new person. And so this right here is a brand new software that has just launched inside of this company called iCoin Pro. iCoin Pro is a company that teaches you how to day trade. So when we go here, I'll just show you exactly what it is. This is the free boot camp, okay? You get the free boot camp along with how to practice trade, okay? So this will teach you how to buy the dip and how to learn a 97% win rate strategy, okay? When you decide to become a customer, you'll have access to the live forum where you can actually take your trades, put your trades into the forum and get live feedback on why your trade is good or bad. And then there's education on cryptocurrency, blockchain, how to use wallets, and etc. So this is for people that are not or have not been in cryptocurrency yet and are still new to the idea of it, how to send it, how to receive it, and what it really is and the information in general. And then we have the actual micro profit system trading training, where you will actually learn buying the squeeze, which is actually what happened just right here. So I made a trade yesterday buying the squeeze, and let me show you on Facebook. Let me update my Facebook. Okay, so yesterday, I started using the trade portal, okay? It was the first day I used the trade portal. I'm not even 24 hours into using the trade portal. And so my very first trade was this right here, okay? This is not dollars, this is margin. So let me explain what this is for the people that are actually good with numbers and care. This is about 0.0025 Bitcoin that I started this account with, which is about $75. For 0.0025 Bitcoin, I get 2,500 margin. So this is 1,600 margin that I made. This is 2,200 margin that I made. So I start an account with 0.0025 Bitcoin, and I get 2,500 margin. So on this trade, I actually almost doubled my account right here, right? So I start with 2,500 margin, aka 0.0025 Bitcoin, aka $75 about, depending on the market price. And on this account, I woke up today to this trade at a 2,200 margin profit, which is about $67. Okay, $67 on this trade. Now, I did make a short, and I did end up selling that short trade. Good thing I did, because I entered this trade afterwards and bought the squeeze, and then had a nice profit, okay? So, what is the squeeze? The squeeze, what is when it breaks out right here. So see how it's starting to break out in right here, out of the lines? See right here, and then it starts to break out, goes down, breaks out again. Well, the buying the squeeze is what you see right here. And I'm not going to explain it entirely because you need to go ahead and get in the system and learn the training, okay? But basically, buying the squeeze is when the market uptrends, okay, it's uptrending, it's uptrending, no new lows, and then it breaks out, okay? So buying that squeeze and breakout and selling at the breakout is what I did. So how did I learn how to do that? Right here, buy the squeeze. That's what that is, okay? Buying the dip, whoops, I didn't mean to click on it. Buying the dip is when you, let me try to find an example for you. Right here would be an example of buying the dip, but it's not that great of an example. Sometimes Bitcoin's a little more difficult to show good examples because it moves so slightly or just so greatly. But here's an example. 1, 2, 3, and then you would buy right here, and you would sell right here, okay? Now it actually went up higher, okay, to the opposite red line, but you would buy here and sell here as your trade, okay? So you would start at 430 and sell it at about 530, so $100 difference, boom, okay? So that would be a dip trade, okay? So that is what you learn inside of iCoin Pro. Whoops, I didn't mean to click on Coinbase. Anyways, so those are the two trades that you learn. And this software that just launched called the Trade Portal applies both of these trades to the chart automatically and then has alerts on the side. And I'm still learning how to use this trading portal, but literally in less than 1 day of using it, I've almost doubled an account, okay? So this is very, very powerful software and information. And this is very, very easy for people to use as beginners to trade cryptocurrency because I am a beginner myself. I'm not an expert day trader. I'm actually an expert affiliate marketer, and I do really good in network marketing, affiliate marketing, and being able to build funnels and follow up and get autopilot sales without even having to get calls. So that's my skill set, and I'm trying to learn how to day trade as well. And so in iCoin Pro, what's really cool is you can actually build a team and actually earn from your team. Okay, so this is a network marketing and a day trading cryptocurrency education that will actually show you how to make money day trading. Okay, and so this is the most powerful network marketing program that there is out there, in my opinion, because you're not selling lotions, potions, pills. You're actually selling a product that will help people make money in itself without having to recruit people. So you don't have to recruit people into iCoin Pro to make money with the day trading. How cool is that? So what I do is I actually like to build a team here while I learn how to day trade, and it's a multiple income stream, right? So how awesome is that? Now let me show you my earnings real quick and how cool it is, because with iCoin Pro, I actually am able to become a ranked 1-star every single month because it only takes 3 people to actually become a 1-star. And in the 1-star global bonus pool, I'm earning 4 times the amount of money that it actually cost me for my membership. 4 times. So just by having 3 members on my team, I'm earning 4 times the amount of money that it cost me for my membership at iCoin Pro. Plus this, plus the actual quote-unquote fast start enroller bonus, which means just when someone signs up, you earn $25, or you earn $30 if they sign up as an affiliate, okay? Because it's a $10 affiliate fee, you earn 50% on that. So, but anyways, what I want to explain to you on the network marketing side is when you have 3 people, you're not making $3 fucking dollars. You hear me? When you have 3 people, you're making 4 fucking times as much money is what it costs you for the membership just with the 1-star global bonus pool. And then you're also going to have earnings on this as well. So I'm earning 5 times the amount of money that it cost me for my membership. 5 times. Okay? This is very, very, very lucrative. And now I do have more people on my team. So let's go back to earnings. But I have not rank advanced to the next level. I'm only a 1-star still. So a 1-star on the next month ended up paying me $167.49. And the Infinity Overrides ended up paying me double what it was last month. I'm making way more money than I am paying for this program, and then I get to learn how to fucking day trade and make way more money day trading. Right? I just woke up to a $67 profit trade. Well, I guess you could minus that as well. But I just woke up to a $67 trade minus the little loss in profit. But anyways, I'm making more money with my membership than I'm paying, and I get to learn how to day trade. And it's like incredibly simple, all integrated. You get alerts. The software shows you what trades to do. Okay, so this is the first version of it. Let me show you the first version of the Trade Finder. So here's the first version that actually I can explain a lot easier. So basically, here's the squeeze trades right here, and here's the dip trade. So it looks like a lot of the market is in a squeeze trade. So when we look at Dogecoin, click on Coinbase, it sends us right to our Coinbase, and so does this the Trade Portal version 2. And I'm not logged into my Coinbase. Anyways, you would go ahead and make a trade on Coinbase, literally directly on Coinbase. And then right here, this software would keep track of your Coinbase trade or your Binance trade and actually set the profit of the break-even point, and then you can actually see how your trade's doing in the portal when you trade on Coinbase. How cool is that? So they're actually connected. Coinbase and Binance are connected to this trading portal, and your trades will update in here, and it will show you lines for where you're trying to take profit, where your break-even point is, and things like that. And I just started using this, so please give me some time. But this is very exciting, guys. I don't even know how to use this entirely, and I'm doubling accounts almost overnight. Okay, so how cool is that? So if you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrency for beginners, working with me on my team is the best place to be. Okay? Because I'm going to share with you on my team, my skill set is to help you duplicate and actually build a team. That's my skill set. And then you'll actually be making more money than you're paying for your membership potentially. You know, no income guaranteed. But you'll be making more money than you'll be paying for your membership, and then you get to day trade, right? So now the money that I'm making with iCoin Pro not only pays for my membership, but it also pays for my trades. This is free trading money. Don't you fucking get it? This is free trading money. This is free education. I'm getting free education. I'm getting free software because I'm making more than what I'm paying for it. Does that make sense? I'm getting paid to learn how to day trade. I'm getting paid to fuck up and make mistakes. I'm getting paid to wake up to trades overnight. I'm getting paid to make a loss. I'm getting paid to trade. Whether I win or lose, I'm getting paid to do it, and I get money to do it with. How cool is that? This is the best place to learn how to day trade for beginners. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Your next step is to visit my website in the description below, which will look like this. This is the same funnel that I build for you, and it will go to a page that looks like this, and you will have a video of you, and I will coach you on how to make a video like this so that it's very easy for you to duplicate, and you'll have your information on here so that people can reach out to you, etc., etc., etc. Okay? Work with me. best place to be to learn how to day trade crypto and build a network marketing team and profit on both of them. Click the link down below right now. Thank you so much.